The 2026 Honda CB125F emerges as a significantly enhanced entry-level motorcycle, poised to redefine the expectations for beginner riders. Building upon its established reputation for reliability and user-friendliness, this latest iteration incorporates a suite of modern upgrades that not only improve performance and efficiency but also inject a dose of contemporary style and technology. For those taking their first steps into the world of motorcycling, the CB125F presents an even more compelling package, offering a confidence-inspiring and feature-rich platform to learn and grow. One of the most notable advancements for the 2026 model is the introduction of Honda's idling stop system ISS, a first for a manual gearbox Honda motorcycle. This technology, previously seen on scooters and the Gold Wing Tour, automatically shuts off the engine when the bike is stationary, such as at traffic lights, and seamlessly restarts it upon clutch engagement. The heart of the 2026 CB125F is a revamped 124cc air-cooled ESP-enhanced smart power engine, now featuring an upgraded O2 sensor and revised ECU mapping. These enhancements contribute to an impressive claimed fuel efficiency of 66.7 km per liter, potentially allowing for a range of over 700 km on a single 11-liter tank. The engine delivers a maximum power output of 8 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM and a peak torque of 10.9 Nm at 6,000 RPM, providing sufficient and manageable performance for novice motorcyclists. Beyond its mechanical upgrades, the 2026 CB125F boasts a significant step forward in terms of features and aesthetics. A brand new full-color 4.2-inch TFT display now graces the cockpit, offering clear and comprehensive information. This modern display also integrates Honda RoadSync, providing smartphone connectivity for hands-free calls and music streaming, a feature rarely found in entry-level motorcycles. A convenient USB-C charging port is also included, allowing riders to keep their devices powered on the go. The lighting has been upgraded to full LED, with a distinctive vertical signature for both the headlight and taillight, enhancing visibility and giving the bike a more contemporary and premium look. The lightweight 117 kg chassis, combined with an upright riding position and a comfortable 790 mm seat height, ensures confident handling and accessibility for a wide range of riders. The inclusion of a combined braking system CBS further enhances safety, particularly for beginners, by distributing braking force between the front 240 mm disc and the rear 130 mm drum.